Hey there, Ben Lipper here. If you are looking for a good robot to build this year, I've got just the thing. Go ahead and check out Super-Swish. Now, if you're interested in building this robot, there's a link under this video. Go ahead and click that link and enter your email address, and I will actually send you details on how I built this. In fact, I have step-by-step instructions from VEX, so they're totally competition legal, basically on how to build almost the entire robot, and then there's a few modifications that I made at the end. I'll send you guys those as well. So if you're interested in building it, go ahead and click that link, enter your email address. I'll get you guys covered. Now, one of the main modifications we are going to have to make to this robot is we're actually going to have to give it an adjustable shot. What that means is it now needs to be able to shoot in both the high and the low goals, which gives you about 50% more points if you're able to do it successfully. So the little thing that I'm going to show you that I attached on after you're done with the Super-Swish instructions is I'm basically going to show you how I made it so you could shoot both high and low goal with the same exact catapult. So if you're interested in that, you want the step-by-step instructions, you're interested in building something like this even, there's a link under this video. Go ahead and click that. This robot is totally going to change how you and your team compete this year. It's absolutely incredible. Like, I literally built this robot and then was totally blown away at how many points it could score. So go ahead, click that link and enter your email address, and I will send you all the details that you need. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. As always, like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see what you guys build this year.